big guy over there. They don't like my phone. And then be free. Silly guys. They don't like the phone that much. No, you guys don't like the phone. Okay. Hello, girl. That's a sick chicken right there. She can't walk straight. Oh, like normal chicken. Yes, girly. Hey, girly. Hey, girly. Hello. Gonna move? Yeah? Gonna move? Okay. Shoot. I gotta get in the chicken coop. Tad bit messy in here. There's no one here. I did eat some legs. We also have 12 bowls here to check the chickens that have eggs. It is eggs. Because they won't lay eggs unless they see an egg. Unfortunately. Alright, no more eggs. They lay eggs later. Look at all of them! Hello, Pepper! Hello, Pepper! What do I have in here? He thinks there's food in there. Those are eggs. Hey, Carly.